So after you have a basic understanding and interacting with the Linux operating system, now we should know also how the permission of the files works. And it's really important. If you don't have permission on a file, you cannot open it or cannot write something to that. And even you cannot also delete without it. So we have to understand how to set permissions, how we can see the permissions on the current files, and to see if at all we can work with these files or not. So it has a basic type, and it's also really simple to understand what is file permission is set for a directory or within a file. So if you open your terminal and just type ls minus s minus l, you'll get this table, it's the same like that. So we have on the first and left section, we have this list of files and permissions. So you can see here, this area is all for to show you what is the permission is now currently for a file or a directory. At the beginning is the file tab, which is the yellow color. So it's now set to D, which is a directory, and there is a minus, which is set for the regular files. The second part is like for user permissions. There's three characters like R and WX. They are for the user. So the user now currently has the write, read, and execute permissions on the file and this directory. And the second three characters are for the group of the group permissions, which will be set on that. So a group can have many members. So all of the members of this group can execute or read this directory. And the last part is for others, like the people who not belongs to the group and is not also the user who can access this directory or see the files or open the delete or do other operations with the file. And you can set that here easily. And the other part is like number of hard links. Hard links is in the node link on the operating system in Linux. And users show you who is the user of this file and also show you the group, the name of the group this directory belongs to. So the other section is like the size that shows in bytes, not in MB or something. But you can see also if you want to see in GB or MB format, then you can have to put other options on the command, then you can see it also in a different format. So this is the normal format in byte, and this is the time, date and time, what is the last modified file. And at the last, you will get the file name. So the structure stays on all distributions of Linux. Also here you can see that R is for readable or read and writable and executable. You can also use with the change mode command, which I can show you next slide. Here you can see that we have like numbering and also you can use the characters to set up permissions. Like mostly if there is a number, like 4 is for read. If you divide in total, there's 7 in general. If you want to give full permission, then you can set with the 7, which will also give you the read, write, and execute permissions on something. I will show you in the next video how you can set that in the command line and also in the terminal. So you practically can change, set, and remove the permissions. And 2 is for write, and 1 is for execution, and 0 has no permissions. Also, you can see here that there's like you can use directly these numbers to set the permissions like the, so this is the explanation. So 7 will be like full permission to give somebody, and 6 is like only for read and write. 5 is for read and execute, but no writing, and 4 is only for read only permissions. To use this change mode command, this is change mode, chmod, and then you put a number. So the first number will be like only for the owner of the file or directory. The second number will be for the others, or for the group, sorry, and the last number will be for uh, others to set the permissions. Based on that table, you can see here on the table, if you put 7, what does it mean, and 6, 4, 5, and all of these. So here's in binary format is written, and here's in the characters mode, and here's also the number mode. So see in the next video how you can do that practically.